everybody, what's up? Thank you so much for coming back. I'm Arpita Behel and I welcome you back to my channel, The Crazy Wisdom. Now, today we'll be moving back to our Zodiac series and we'll be discussing about the fourth Zodiac in line, the emotional roller coasters of the Zodiac, Cancerians. So what is the wait for? Put on your thinking caps and your wisdom boots. Let's shoot. Dwelling into the deep watery world of the Cancer Zodiac, I would say that because the Zodiac is represented by the Moon and the Mother, these people rate around 4,000 on a scale of 1 to 100 when it comes to nourishing their loved ones and providing them with constant love and care and pampering. These people care for you as if you are their child and they are your fairy godfather or godmother, irrespective of the relationship that you are in with them. यार, तूने लंच खाया? हाँ यार, लंच खा लिया. और सुन, तुझे खांसी थी ना, उसकी दवाई ली? हाँ खांसी की दवाई ले ली. और यार तेरा एक असाइनमेंट रह गया था, सुन तूने कर लिया या मैं आके बना दूं? नहीं यार, असाइनमेंट हो गया, सॉर्ट आउट हो गया, तू चिंता मत कर. ठीक है. और सुन, तुझे वो ट्रैक सूट चाहिए था ना, तू चल मेरे साथ, मैं तुझे दिला. यार कभी कभी मुझे लगता है कि तू मेरा दोस्त नहीं, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है. चुप कर. And you know, they would do it again and again and again without shying away from it for even a second. But you know, at the end of it, it's all okay because every one of us needs and sort of cherishes in the end the kind of pure love and nourishment that the Cancer Zodiac can provide us with. These people are known to have their own set of highs and lows in life, their own bright and dark days. Just like the moon waxes and wanes and changes its brightness every single day of every month, and the ocean waters undergo high tides and low tides, these people are known to have major mood swings. Now, when on their high tides, these people can offer you one of the happiest merry-go-round rides of your life. You know, they'll be the ones having the deepest, most contagious laughter. They'll be the lives of any party. They'll be the best hosts, and they'll be, they'll be the ones who'll offer the most entertaining jokes. But contrary to this, when they'll be on their low tides, they'll be the first ones to pack all their emotions, cuddle in their shells, and retreat in deep ocean waters, just like the ocean animal crab that represents the Zodiac does. You know, they'll be extremely moody and smug and unwilling to talk to anyone or to do anything. But this can also result in Cancerians actually giving up on their important tasks for certain periods of time, and that is because for these people, their emotional stability and well-being lives at the highest pedestal and they cannot compromise that for anything. And therefore, they can take the maximum amount of time for actually coming back and resurfacing after their bad days. And this can make them really pessimistic, so much so that their bad moods can actually linger upon their loved ones and affect their days and their well-being as well. You know, many of you might not actually relate to this, or you might think that, I'm not that emotional or I'm not that moody, but that's because your sun sign might be Cancerian, but your ascendant lord, which is the sign that was in the rising in the east horizon when you were born, might be completely different from Cancerian, and that is why you might be having mixed traits or not such pure traits of a Cancerian. But a pure Cancerian is bound to, reflect all these things. Now, Cancerians are known to be extremely tradition loving. These are the people who will have every ritual and every custom of their culture tightly bound across their hearts. They'll remember every single detail of every single ritual that has been followed in their family line across years, and anyone who attempts to go out of it or take a step out of line has to pay the price, and they will be the first ones to check them and correct them. ये क्या हो रहा है? पूजा का प्रसाद फाइनल कर रही हूँ मम्मा, उल्टे हाथ से. ओह सॉरी, लेकिन मैंने इसमें 3 कप पानी डाल दिया है. 3 कप पानी? लेकिन मैंने तो तुम्हें 4 कप पानी बोला था ना. बट मम्मा, उससे फ्लेवर अच्छा आता है. जब नानी ने बोला है कि 4 कप पानी डलेगा तो 4 कप पानी डलेगा. अरे भाई, हम सालों से प्रसाद बनाते आ रहे हैं, 4 कप ही पानी डलेगा. बट ये हमारे परिवार की परंपरा है. बट मुझे नहीं पता था कि तुम मेरी बात बिल्कुल नहीं मानोगी. एक चीज तुमसे कही थी, लेकिन तुम्हें कोई परंपरा का फर्ज ही नहीं है. You might have heard the phrase कि wine जितनी पुरानी हो उतनी अच्छी होती है. But these are the people who literally live by this line every moment of their lives. They literally cherish every single moment in memory that they have been a part of, that they have spent with their friends and family, and keep them safely in their brain and heart lockers. They will never fail to recall any important event that they have been a part of in their lives. They are the members of your family with whom you'll find this thick stacks of photo albums neatly and safely kept in their closets. क्या कर रही हो मम्मा? फोटो एल्बम देख रही हूँ. फर्स्ट बर्थडे पे कितनी मोटी थी ना. ओह, मेरे फर्स्ट बर्थडे की? नहीं ना, मेरे फर्स्ट बर्थडे की है. वो पिक्स भी हैं आपके पास? ऑफ कोर्स। और पता है फर्स्ट बर्थडे की पहली रात क्या हुआ था? वो जो चंडीगढ़ वाले फूफा जी है ना, उन्होंने इतनी पी ली थी कि पूरी रात शायरी की। और फिर बुआ जी ने उनसे कहा कि सुनो, अगर तुम यही सब करोगे ना तो आगे से मैं तुम्हें कहीं पे भी नहीं लाने वाली हूँ। लेकिन आपको कैसे पता? आपका तो फर्स्ट बर्थडे था ना। हाँ मुझे पता है, लेकिन मुझे तुम्हारी नानी ने बताया था 15 साल पहले। So of course they are the natural hardness that the world has given us, but this again has a negative side too, a flip side too, because these people have a tendency to restore every emotion that they've ever felt. They will also, you know, catch upon every negative, sad and bad thing that has happened to them, take them back in their hearts and minds and ponder over it continuously again and again and again. And this can be extremely emotionally draining for them after a while. They can, you know, actually develop braver and more negative emotions for their own selves, like self-pity or worthlessness many a times. And majority of these things are nothing but their own imaginary cropped up fears and anxieties and self-doubt, which is really destructive. So it's very important for Cancerians to keep themselves in a good company, in a strong, positive and uplifting environment, so that they can build themselves, so that they can take out their true positive potential. And negativity and negative company and environment will actually squeeze out all their energy. And this is not only true for Cancerians alone, this is true for every other person around. But it's very important and mandatory for Cancerians because they feel emotions 100 times stronger than other people. Want to know how to actually fall in love with your home space? Then you better meet a Cancerian, because these are the people who actually are madly in love with their home settings. When they enter their homes, you see a certain fire in a Cancerian's eyes that energizes everything around it. As they are the nurturers of the zodiac, their home space is the place which actually nurtures them, which builds them and which provides them with the positivity to deal with everything else in life. Make them travel the entire world. The brightest smile of the journey will be when they step back into their houses. Cancerians are also known to be extremely good hosts for any party or event that you might be planning, because they just love feeding people, you know, and this also goes extremely well with their motherly and maternal instinct that they have inside of them. Now, two of my friends are Cancer ascendants, which means that Cancer was on the rise when they were born. One of them is a professional chef, and her favorite dialogue has been that I just love feeding people. And as for the other, once you enter her house, you won't come out unless she has lovingly stuffed your stomach and your mouth with everything that she has made for you that day. And this is one of the strongest traits that you would find in every person whose birth chart shows a strong Cancer influence. Alright, so I was thinking that because our Cancerian friends live and feel emotions in phases, why not we have this video on their personality in phases of 2 as well? So I'm planning to come back in another 2 days time with Cancer Zodiac Personality Part 2, which will cover things like Cancerians and their money matters, Cancerians and their love matters, which sounds interesting, doesn't it? You hang on and watch out the space for more. Be crazy and wise until we meet in another 2 days time, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you sooner. Bye bye.